What's your name?
My name is May.
How was your day?
It was quite busy.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and milk.
Did you watch the news?
Yes, it was quite interesting.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue the most.
Do you have any siblings?
I have a brother and a sister.
When do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love drinking coffee.
What do you do for work?
I am a nurse.
How was the weather today?
It was sunny and warm.
Have you been on a vacation recently?
I went to the beach last month.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
What's your favorite type of food?
I really like Italian cuisine.
Are you a dog or cat person?
I'm definitely a dog person.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy painting and reading.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
I watched a comedy last week.
Do you like sports?
I enjoy playing tennis.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I like to relax and see friends.
What's your favorite season?
I love the springtime.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea in the evenings.
What book are you currently reading?
I'm reading a mystery novel.
What type of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to pop music.
Do you exercise regularly?
I try to go for a walk every day.
Have you tried any new restaurants lately?
I went to a sushi place last night.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like to take a warm bath.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited a local museum.
Have you ever been to Europe?
Yes, I went to Italy last year.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going to a friend's birthday party.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like watching nature documentaries.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What time do you usually sleep?
I go to bed around 10 p.m.
How do you take your coffee?
I like it with milk and sugar.
What's your favorite fruit?
I really enjoy eating strawberries.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing at parties.
Are you good at cooking?
I can make a few simple dishes.
Do you have a favorite flower?
I think roses are very beautiful.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I enjoy watching romantic comedies.
Have you ever tried yoga?
Yes, it helps me stay flexible.
Do you like spicy food?
I enjoy a little spice, but not too much.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love chocolate chip cookie dough.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the beach for vacations.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I often have a salad or sandwich.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, I went camping last summer.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I can play the piano a little.
How do you spend your evenings?
I usually watch TV or read a book.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I like jogging in the park.
Do you prefer sweet or salty snacks?
I have a sweet tooth, so I prefer sweet snacks.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love celebrating Christmas.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I saw my favorite band last year.
What did you have for dinner last night?
I had grilled chicken and vegetables.
Do you enjoy swimming?
Yes, I like swimming in the ocean.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like warm and sunny days.
Do you enjoy shopping?
I like shopping for clothes and shoes.
What's your favorite part of the day?
I enjoy the peaceful mornings.
Do you like roller coasters?
They're fun, but a bit scary.
What's your favorite animal?
I've always loved dolphins.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I enjoy capturing memories.
Have you ever been to a theme park?
I visited Disneyland a few years ago.
What's your favorite way to stay active?
I like going for bike rides.
Do you enjoy watching sports?
I like watching soccer games.
What's your favorite type of candy?
I enjoy eating chocolate bars.
What do you do when it rains?
I usually stay indoors and read.
Have you ever tried painting?
Yes, I find it very calming.
Do you like to wear hats?
I wear them to protect from the sun.
What's your favorite kind of sandwich?
I like turkey and cheese sandwiches.
What is your favorite board game?
I enjoy playing Monopoly.
Do you like going to the movies?
Yes, it's a fun way to spend an evening.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I went to a zoo last summer.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I really like broccoli.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I love being outdoors.
Have you ever been on a cruise?
No, but I'd like to try one someday.
What's your favorite type of pizza?
I love pepperoni pizza.
Do you enjoy crossword puzzles?
Yes, they're a fun challenge.
Have you ever been to a farmer's market?
Yes, I like buying fresh produce there.
What's your favorite drink?
I enjoy a cold lemonade on hot days.
Have you ever been ice skating?
Yes, it's a fun winter activity.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
I love eating pancakes.
Do you prefer city or countryside living?
I prefer living in the city.
What's your favorite type of cake?
I really like carrot cake.
Do you enjoy watching fireworks?
Yes, they're so beautiful.
Have you ever been to a wedding?
I attended my cousin's wedding last year.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I enjoy eating cheddar cheese.
Do you like going to museums?
Yes, I find them very educational.
What's your favorite way to stay cool in the summer?
I like swimming in a pool.
Have you ever tried pottery?
No, but I'd like to give it a try.
What do you like to do on rainy days?
I enjoy watching movies indoors.
What's your favorite type of salad?
I love Caesar salad.
Do you prefer to wear glasses or contact lenses?
I usually wear glasses.
What's your favorite type of tea?
I like drinking green tea.
Do you enjoy going to parties?
Yes, it's fun to socialize.
What's your favorite type of cookie?
I love oatmeal raisin cookies.
Have you ever been to a sports game?
I went to a baseball game last year.
Do you like to wear jewelry?
I wear a few simple pieces.
What's your favorite type of bird?
I think hummingbirds are fascinating.
Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes, they're a fun way to relax.
Have you ever tried meditation?
I practice meditation sometimes.
What's your favorite type of soup?
I enjoy a hot bowl of tomato soup.
Do you like to play cards?
Yes, I enjoy playing poker.
Have you ever been to a comedy show?
I went to one a few months ago.
What's your favorite type of fish?
I like eating salmon.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I love sunbathing and swimming.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
I enjoy dark chocolate the most.
Have you ever been to an amusement park?
I visited one last summer.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I love spaghetti with marinara sauce.
Do you enjoy stargazing?
Yes, the night sky is fascinating.
Have you ever been to a wine tasting?
Yes, it was a fun experience.
What's your favorite way to spend a Sunday afternoon?
I like going for a long walk.
Have you ever been to a karaoke night?
Yes, it's always a fun time.
Nice to talk with you.
Nice to talk with you too.